Second ship tip of the day is after you turn your bag inside out and stuff for it to be nice and clean again. I would, if you putting clothing in the poly bag, I would go on the web here and find an image, something like this, whatever you want to put on it, then print it out. An image, something like that. That way, people know when you cut in the bag, when they got their order, the bag has something cloth or something in it. If you take a knife to it, it might be cut. So give them a little warning. You know, one side put the shipping label on, and the next side, on the other side, put the this label here on. Do not cut. Do not use blade to cut open. Thank you for watching. You have a nice day. Bye bye.